So again, I'm constantly getting asked, why did I change the name? Why is it Credit Solutions and not Credit Repair? What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So again, I constantly get asked this question: why is it called Credit Solutions instead of Credit Repair? Why did you change from Credit Repair to Credit Solutions? Well, number one reason is I was not doing credit repair. Credit repair is when you pay somebody to dispute negative items on your credit report. We don't dispute not one single piece of information with my services. We challenge negative information using Metro 2 compliance. We do not dispute anything. We don't use factual letters. We don't use letters that software creates for you. I do use software, but with this software, you gotta know what you're doing to make it work. So again, I'm constantly getting asked, why did I change the name? Why is it Credit Solutions and not Credit Repair? One, I'm not doing credit repair. I don't dispute anything. I challenge negative. If anybody's interested in signing up, just go to my website, everythingcreditllc.com, and also go to My Free Score Now to sign up for credit monitoring, which is required for me to do the work. I'll leave links in the description of the video for my website as well as the credit monitoring. If y'all have any questions, just let me know. Hope y'all have a great day.